Welcome. This tutorial is part 1 of scheduling appointment. In this tutorial, we will learn how to schedule an appointment and how to edit appointments. To start, go to File menu. Point to New. Click on Appointment. To schedule an appointment, write the subject, type the location, select the start and end time. You can also create a day event by selecting this box. To change the reminder time, select Appointment. Under the Options group, you can change the reminder time. To make an appointment recur, select Appointment tab. Under the Options group, click on Recurrence. This will open Appointment Recurrence window. Select the appointment time, select the recurrence pattern, select the range of recurrence. Click on OK. Your appointment will recur as per the given schedule. You can also mark this appointment as private to hide the details from other people. You can also select the priority level. To schedule this appointment, click on Save and Close under the Actions group of Recurring Appointment. You have successfully scheduled an appointment. You can see the list of appointments in the To Do bar. To edit an appointment, select it. In case of recurring appointment, if you want to open the series of all the appointment, select Open the series and click on OK. This will open the series of all the appointment. You can check the list of all the appointments by clicking on Scheduling. To edit an appointment, edit the details and then click on Save and Close. To remove recurrence from the appointment, select Recurrence under the Options group. Click on Remove Recurrence in the Appointment Recurrence dialog box. To clear a reminder, go to Tools menu. Click on Options. This will open Options dialog box. Select Preferences. Under Calendar, uncheck the default reminder box. This will clear the reminder. Click on Apply and then click on OK. To delete an appointment, select the appointment, right-click on it, click on Delete. This is how you can delete an appointment. You have learned how to create and edit appointments in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.